Hello and welcome back. My name's Pete Marshall and this one is about why fast and quick. It's because from my experience, fast and quick works best. I can really identify with the idea of having more or plenty of time to create something, but I find that when I'm pushed to create something quickly, I have no time to think, no time for pretty, no time for perfection. So the resulting raw painting gives me insights into what works and what doesn't. I think I'd rather encourage doing quick and more rather than fine and finished. Making sketches and studies is practicing for the finished piece, and just maybe the raw that we find in Fast and Furious is what we were looking for anyway. Maybe. Speed isn't about quick results with minimum effort, but rather it's a key element in the creative process that prevents perfectionism and prevents fear of failure. It's part of the dynamic. Now let's have another look at using credit cards again. So here we go, credit cards. This is what it's about, painting with a credit card. I'm going to cover this blue paper, but first of all I'm going to let you see. You can see quite clearly that this was done with a credit card. You can see here too. Nice effect, isn't it? Nice effect here. You can see how I've added the orange and yellow. And in fact, one can paint a whole landscape, dragging down the sky, bringing up the clouds, even adding in, the whole of this was done with credit cards. Same thing. Okay, not quite. This was all done with credit card, but I did use a brush to pull down the sky. The rest is painted in credit card. Here's another example. The whole of this background was painted using a credit card. You can see it quite clearly. Oh, we got a number of these. This one too, credit card. This one is quite easy to see. You can see it's great. I mean, are you going to get this effect with a brush? It's going to be hard work. And how about this one here? This is all credit card. I mean, it's difficult to get this kind of effect. But there you go, done with a credit card. The obvious. Okay, so let's try that. Let's start by see how that works. Look at this. Doesn't that look great? Instantly, it gives another texture, another form on the whole card. So, whoops, I'm going to be doing this. Should have that taped down rather quickly, just to give you the impression of what it is. I'll probably speed this up. I'll just chuck some more red on it. Just rather quickly, we don't have to cover the whole thing. But you can see what it is. Now, if I take a little bit of purple, just to drag it down this side here, give it a little bit. You see how nicely that comes on? Let's put a bit more red back on top of that. Just darken it down even more. And on the air, we're speeding up now. Let's take another card. Let's take a bit of red and a bit of orange. See what we're doing here? Look at that. We can put it straight on top of what we've already done. No problem. It's a bit hit and miss, but hey, we can just keep building up layers on top of each other. So there we go. Let's chuck some more orange down there. Oh, that's such nice. And let's get some bright yellow in there. Oh, let's get some bright yellow and orange. That's a nice effect. You know, I think you could have fun doing this. I certainly enjoy it. You never quite know what you're going to get. Just to blend them together a little nicer. Okay, Oh, that yellow goes nicely into the green, doesn't it? So there you go. You think that might look a bit of a mess, but this is a great background. Let's have a look at that. If we wanted to use that as our background, I did it very quickly. And we take, we're intending to set up and use that. We could make something like this. Or, pick it up again. Let's turn it around the other way. Let's go for using it as a background. I mean, isn't that just great? Okay, till the next time.